Trivia Time, Hermit, Basswood, and Madeline. What do those names mean to you?
I know.
What do you know?
They are names of the Apostle Islands.
That's right. We took a little side trip down the south side, south shore of Lake Superior to come check out Apostle Islands, or what we could see of them here, because some of the national lake shores, great idea, but you can't really see them from where we were checking it out. So way down there is the one, Hermit Island. And Basswood is the closest one here. And Madeline Island, that long stretch back there. I guess that's like the big one. They have a state park there, a lot of boats, tours out that way. Someday when we have more time, we're going to go check them out. But I've never been up this way, and we wanted to check it out. So we're down here in, what town is this?
This is
Red
Rock.
Red Rock. Okay. Looks cool.